Am I recording? Hey guys, death by fidget spinner, man brutally murdered by fidget spinner. That's the video name. Please subscribe, like, whatever. I don't know. Who are you talking to?
Who are you talking to?
Oh.
Is it some random stranger on Omegle?
Yeah. I actually got caught on Omegle once. My mom walked in and was like, who are you talking to? I'm gonna remove this guy's hand. Like, why does that matter? I'm grey. Oh no. Scan it in.
Hey, I'm standing on the shield. It's pretty nice, you know.
Oh my god! I'm gonna stab you to death.
Crap, I have no ammo.
Now. Just use your fidget spinner. I've been like using it for a long time.
No, but I need to use my pistol.
Why?
Cause it's a good pistol.
Mommy,
I wanna shoot this guy. Is this a guy or a girl?
I don't know. Triggered.
Actually, I identify as a...
There's still 1,000 billion genders left, you know.
You know that, like, big feminist YouTuber?
Big
like,
red.
That big feminist YouTuber that was like, oh, I discovered that there are two genders. Well, you think?
Lacy Green.
Yeah.
Well, good. It was on Drumroller, and it's like,
yeah.
Oh, yeah.
I'm gonna need some ammo.
Why do I hear Suka? Find the briefcase.
What?
Oh my god, my left index finger hurts.
Index?
Yeah, the two fingers that you use. Yes, some count than me. And like, only my friends watch me, so that's sad.
Remember his, like, Minecraft video where, like, he would, like, furiously shake his mouse whenever he would fall off the thing?
No.
It was so weird. I'm like, what?
Yeah, no.
Sub for sub.
Sub for sub. Like, Golden Hawk. Why do you only got 4 subscribers and you say that sub for sub, asshole? Shit.
People would always like go into my comments and be like, oh, you want a sub for sub?
How many subs? Yeah.
I have like quite a bit.
How much?
I don't really care for my thing now.
I'm like, this is gonna be my 3rd video. First one was shitty. Second one I used Microsoft Movie Maker.
It's better than any...
Like the free trial.
Oh god.
I don't know what's called. Where the hell is this briefcase? Sorry, sir, but this is a Christian server, so no swearing. You know that meme with the Winnie the Pooh?
No.
Oh my god, how do you not know those memes? Memes are
That is memes.
Sorry, sir, but this is a Christian server. When one of your friends falls into lava with diamonds on them and they say frick. Sorry, this is a Christian server. So no swearing. No swearing is allowed.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Next thing you know, like, it's...
I found the briefcase.
Where was it?
It was right here. Come here, come here. It was right here.
Boom! Boom, boom, boom! Oh my god, trigger.
Boy!
Oh, but
Boy,
it's
get out of here!
Boy! Attack them with our fidget spinners.
I got like shotguns galore.
Look, it's a ritual.
Death by fidget spinner. I'll check through the... That makes him move your ass, F-Ponye. He's gonna kick you, you know?
What? Oh.
The KKK gang strikes again.
Type that in chat.
Oh my god. Why
Oh
is it so hard
boy.
to type strikes? This is gonna be a mask.
Ew. What is that?
Mexican wrestler. Oh,
Look at mine.
Cabron.
Look
The
at mine. It
perfect
looks
stranger.
like. What's my nose? I don't want to be Antoine.
This is the end of the video. Like, subscribe, comment. I subscribed for Fidget Spinner, and I'll see you later. Bye bye.